Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, we completed the topics of SHM, oscillations, periodic oscillations, condition of HSM, condition for SHM, and characteristics of SHM and these examples, or mechanical simple harmonic motion, or nothing but we can call this as a differential equation of the SHM, and phasor and complex notation or polar notation. These points we completed, and after that the types of SHM we have, that is one, free oscillations, second, damped oscillations, third one is the forced oscillation. Okay, these are the three bits we are going to discuss today one by one. Okay, first we'll discuss, okay, free oscillations. Okay. Okay, you just recall all values, whatever, all points. SHM means what, oscillations means what yesterday I discussed that. Okay, I was discussing, and restoring force, and Hooke's law, all these things. Okay, now free oscillations, as you know the last class, free oscillation is, for example, you take a support. Okay, support, you tie one thing, okay, here. Okay, when you jerk here or give some force, that then it will move here, this point over to A and over to B. Okay, if assume that there is no any external force, okay, acting on this body, then it will not be going to stop anywhere, or the displacement is not going to change. Therefore it is going to vibrate or oscillate its own frequency, or with its natural frequency. Such oscillations are called as a free oscillations. Okay, oscillations are there, but it is a free, from which, by what factor it is free? By an external force. Okay, it is not going to act any external force on that body. Such body or such oscillation is called as a free oscillations. Or we can say in this way, oscillations are when there are no external forces, the object oscillates with a natural frequency. Or we can say in another way, under the action of a restoring force, an oscillation body oscillates with undiminished amplitude. Undiminished amplitude means this is up to here, here. Oh, I like them, like undiminished amplitude. Amplitude is same. Okay, such a vibration with its natural frequency is known as free oscillation. This is in definition. Okay, this is one part. Second part, okay, damped oscillation or damped vibration. Another one is damped oscillation. See how it is different from that. Okay, damped oscillation. See, when you know that the fundamentals of restoring force or resistive force, or you can external force, all. Okay, here also we are going to consider some support here and fix this body, and one the thread or one spring, anything spring. Okay, the mass, okay, is fixed or kept in the liquid, for example liquid. Okay, same thing when you give some jerk or up and down, or in the vertical, horizontal. If it is in up and down force, then it is going to start down, up, down, up, down, up. Vibration is going to start. Remember here the force, the here the spring, it is going to liberate what force? One other one, restoring force from the spring. And the liquid kept, the body kept under the liquid also apply some opposite force to this body. Therefore this type of force is called resistive force, resisting to this body, and this is the restoring force. Therefore the damped vibration comes under that. It the vibrations acted, or vibration comes under the resistive force and the restoring force. Such vibrations are called as a damped vibration, or we can say it is a type of a motion executed by a body subjected to the combined action of restoring force plus resistive force. Okay, and the motion is always terminated after a certain time. It will stop at 0. Okay, but where is a free oscillation, it is not going to stop itself. Okay, such a oscillation is called as a damped oscillations, okay, at a finite interval of time. It will, for example, it will take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, according to the depends upon the resistance what I am taking here. Based on that, the time interval will take to set 0. Okay, once again I will make it clear. Damped vibration or damped oscillation is such a type of motion. It comes under, there is a opposite forces of resistive force and the restoring force, and it comes at the 0, at terminated or diminished its amplitude at a particular instant of time. Such a vibration or such a oscillations we called as a damped oscillations. Okay, so that is okay. Start.